Welcome to Go Lesson 12, Variadic Functions. Variadic functions accept any number of arguments. Think of fmt.Println. You will learn the syntax, how to spread slices, and real-world patterns. Let's start with Variadic function basics. A variadic function can receive 0 or more arguments of the same type. The 3 dots before the type make it variadic. This sum function takes any number of integers. Inside the function, nums is actually a slice. Let me show you that the variadic parameter becomes a slice. We can check its type, length, and access values like any slice. Now let's call the function with different numbers of arguments. Notice we can even call it with 0 arguments. This confirms the variadic parameter is indeed a slice of integers. Each call works regardless of how many arguments we pass. Now let's explore mixed parameters. You can combine regular parameters with variadic ones. The variadic parameter must always be last. Here, greeting is a regular string, and names is variadic. The function greets each name with the same greeting. You can have multiple regular parameters before the variadic one. This function takes a prefix, separator, and any number of items. Let's see these functions in action. The first argument goes to the regular parameter, the rest to variadic. Mixed parameters give you flexibility while keeping a required base. Now let's learn about the spread operator. What if you already have a slice and want to pass it to a variadic function? You cannot pass the slice directly. You need to spread it. We have a slice of numbers. Let's pass it to our sum function. Passing the slice directly causes a type error. Go expects individual integers, not a slice. Add 3 dots after the slice name to spread it. This expands the slice into individual arguments. The built-in append function is variadic. You can append individual elements or spread another slice. The spread operator is essential when working with slices and variadic functions. Let's explore real-world variadic patterns. Variadic functions are used throughout Go's standard library. Let's build some practical examples. A custom logger that takes any number of message parts. Notice the type is interface, which accepts any type. Min and max functions that work with any number of values. We require at least one value, then accept any additional ones. This pattern ensures we always have at least one value to compare. fmt.Println is variadic. You can pass any number of values of any type. Our logger accepts different types, just like fmt.Println. Variadic functions make APIs flexible and easy to use. Let's recap variadic functions. Three dots make a parameter variadic. It becomes a slice inside the function. Use the spread operator to pass slices. Variadic must be the last parameter. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we explore anonymous functions and closures. Like and subscribe to continue your Go journey.